eu quando chegou ao Brasil, eu escutava meu pai me chamar no cais de Angra e eu escutava a voz dele a me chamar e ele chamava Madalena, não vai. E então quando eu cheguei ao Brasil eu ouvia a voz dele e só escutava a voz dele me chamar. E eu viajei numa lanchinha, porque nós íamos numa lancha pequena até o barco e eu ia para aquele mar fora, um mar tão escuro, e eu tenho pavor de mar até hoje, e aquele mar tão escuro, e eu cheguei no Brasil e eu escutava a voz do papai a me chamar em cima, e é a vida.
A verdade é que a vida do imigrante não é fácil.
Direto pelo trabalho que está a fazer em prol de todos.
We can say that the arrival of the Portuguese in the western United States, and California in particular, began with the discovery of gold in 1848 and the subsequent influx of people from many nations. The Portuguese were very well situated to come to California because they didn't leave, as virtually every other nationality, they didn't leave from their home country. They left from the whaling ships upon which they were serving at the time, and so many whaling ships, captain, crew, and all, headed for San Francisco Bay and left their ships and went up to the Sierra to go hunting for gold. In the first census, which was taken in California, the first United States census was in 1850, not long after the beginning of the gold rush. There were about 150 Portuguese here, and in 1860 about 1,580 Portuguese. Most all were from the Azores, a few from Madeira, and a few Cape Verdeans. Very few from the continent, because these were all ex-whalemen. California, since the 1820s, consisted of a series of missions and the activities, agricultural activities around each mission, which included agriculture, sheep raising, and involving a certain amount of the Native Americans within this system. It certainly isn't the California that we know today. It wasn't until the end of the 1950s, with the eruption of the volcano on Capelinos on the island of Fayal, where the special act allowed many Azoreans to emigrate who had lost their lands there. And that was the harbinger of the opening up generally of immigration and making it much into the United States, making it much fairer. A quota of 15,000 or 16,000 per year for each country was established, and the Portuguese for several years used their quota totally.